Hi, my name is Kristen Aubin, and I'm going to be playing the game Kaboom by Activision. Pretty much this little guy up in the top left drops a bomb, and there is three little pedestal things that you have to use to collect the bombs, and if you don't collect all of them, it takes away one of your pedestals, and then etc. as you go on in the levels, and then the score at the top shows, like 105 was my score from the past one. So I'm just going to reset it, and then those three little yellow things are the actual pedestal things that I have to use to capture the bombs. And then you just use the arrows, so the left and right arrow, to go back and forth, and then space is fire, so that is what drops the bomb. It's kind of hard because you have to be really quick with getting the bombs, as you can probably see. See, like right now I'm on my last life with my one last yellow pedestal. That was 96. And then to reset it, you just scroll on the bottom. F12 is to reset the game. And then it brings you back to 0 with your 3 pedestals. I think as the game goes on, it gets faster, like the little guy at the top that's throwing the bombs gets a lot faster, as you can tell by just the 2 difference in those 2 ones, the speed of him. Yeah, see, like that one, he was way faster. It's weird because the movement of the actual pedestal is very fidgety. It doesn't move as fast as you would like it to, so that's what makes it even harder. It's kind of frustrating. See, like you click it once and it moves like a huge amount or a little amount, and then if you just hold it, it goes back and forth, but it's not as accurate as you would want it to be. But I guess that's what makes it a harder game. See, like I find that impossible to get all the way from over here to the other side that fast. You can tell how old of a game this is by the micropixels in it. I also feel like the more you go on, the more bombs that there are being dropped, so that also makes the levels a lot harder to do when there's doubling the amount. But see, that one wasn't a lot, so it's kind of hard to pick a pattern out of it. See, like, you can't go directly under the bomb. It's either a little bit over to his right side or all the way over on his left. So makes it kind of hard to pick where you want to start. I'm not exactly sure what those pedestal things are supposed to be, but it cracks me up that they have the sound effects in it of like the bombs being lit on fire. This is my better of all the rounds. I'm jinxing myself now. So yeah, I just find it so hard to get all the way across. But yeah, so that is going to be my game video of me playing the game Kaboom on virtualatari.org. Thank you!